is for airplane, flying way up high. B is for bicycle, pedaling down the lane. C is for cargo truck, carrying things so far. D is for digger, digging in the ground. E is for electric bus, driving clean and smooth. F is for ferry boat, sailing across the sea. G is for glider, soaring without an engine. H is for hovercraft, floating over land and sea. I is for icebreaker ship, crushing through the ice. J is for jet, flying super fast. K is for kick scooter, rolling down the street. L is for locomotive, chugging down the tracks. M is for motorcycle, zooming down the street. N is for narrow boat, floating down the river. O is for oil tanker, carrying fuel across the world. P is for police car, sirens going loud. Q is for quad bike, riding through the sand. R is for rickshaw, taking people for a ride. S is for snow plow, clearing winter roads. T is for tractor, working on the farm. U is for unicycle, balancing on one. V is for van, driving far and near. W is for water taxi, zipping across the waves. X is for X-plane, flying way up high. Y is for yacht, sailing smooth and free. Z is for Zeppelin, floating up so slow. Now we know our ABCs, vehicles A to Z. Come along and sing with me.